Hello guys, today I am going to ride a Gixxer with clip-ons of R15 and we'll try to explain how to install on Gixxer. Hello guys, this is Revs Rider and today I am going to show you the R15 clip-on on Gixxer, and perhaps I will try to explain how to install that clip-ons on your Gixxer. So guys, this is R15 clip-on Gixxer. It looks good due to black color. You don't have to remove the clamp. And the best part is you can also lock your handle. Locking handle is good. Why? Check out my clip-ons. And it also touches the fairing like my bike. And it also touches the tank, but using grip will solve the problem. So how to install R15 clip-ons on Gixxer? Because the clip-ons of R15 having lesser diameter, so you have to use an extension bolt which will be attached to your regular fork, and that will give space for clip-ons of R15, and I will try to explain through computer graphics. So this is the this part the this part is kind of your regular fork, and you have to use extension bolt which is on the above side like this. That will extend the length of your fork and will decrease the diameter of the fork so that the clip-ons of R15 can be installed on this space. The bonus part is rear set. He is also having rear set on his bike, and doing rear set like this is easy. All you have to do is using a metal frame as you see on the video and replace the stock link with R15's link. This is R15 link. I would have preferred rear and higher foot pegs for getting proper feel. Something is missing, right? Yes, the owner of the bike. Boom. So here is the owner of the bike. He is Nagendra.
Hello.
And he will tell you about the costing of the bike. तो नागेंद्र, आपको ये कितना पड़ गया क्लिप ऑन?
ये मुझे दरअसल R15 का जो हैंडल था सेट, ये मुझे कंप्लीट 700 रुपये में ही क्लियर पड़ गया, और उसके बाद मुझे जो बोल्ट बनवाना पड़े वो मुझे कॉस्टली पड़ा है, और कंप्लीट करके मुझे ये 3500 रुपये कंप्लीट पड़ गया है ये सेट, कंप्लीट सेट के साथ.
So guys, for those who don't know Hindi, I will try to put subtitle. It costed only 3500, so it is cheaper, looks good, and I will also try to ride the bike and tell you my experience how it feels on riding. So guys, now I am riding Nagendra's bike, and it is sporty. You have to lean forward, but not as much committed as mine. Mine handlebar is kind of lower set like this, and rear set are actually rear set, but they are not higher. So I will suggest Nagendra to make it more higher to get more committed ergonomics. And one thing I forgot to share is how to make that extension. So guys, that extensions can be made on a lathe machine. So I will try to make a rough sketch which you can show to the lathe machine operator and tell him what to do and what not to do. So I will also put a sketch, and lower part will be screw, then bolt, then extension. Okay, where? Okay. Yeah, the lower part will be screw. After that there will be a bolt section, and then extension rod. That extension, on that extension the clip-ons will fit. Okay, so the diameter, what you have to check is the diameter of that extension should be the inner diameter of the clamp of R15's clip-on, or whichever clip-on you want to install on the bike. So I hope you may have understand how to install R15 clip-ons on Gixxer. So guys, I am back on my baby, and I hope you may have understand how to install R15 clip-ons on Gixxers and the positive and negative sides according to your priority and your riding style. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Do share this video. Check out my other videos. Check out my content. If you like the content, please do subscribe. Do subscribe the channel. बस kill that subscribe button and बस फाड़ डालो subscribe button, subscribe कर डालो बस. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Signing off. This was Revs Rider.